Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raut Abdullah. My father's name is Emni Oman Kabir. My mother's name is Aisha Siddiqa. I am 5 years old. I did in class play in Madrasatul Oman International.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Juwairiya Tabin. My father's name is Abu Hanim. My mother's name is Jannati. I am 5 years old. I am a student. I am a good girl. I am in class play in Madrasatul Oman International. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulkan and my father's name is Mahbub Hussain. My mother's name is Nasin. My reading class play. My madrasa name is Madrasatul Rahman International.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rejan Afnan. My father's name is Ghulam Rasul Rubel. My mother's name is Aisha Siddiqa Tonni. I am a student. I am 5 years old. I read in class play. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Tahmid. My father's name is Muhammad Janatul Fateh Khan. My mother's name is Yasmin Rahan. I am 5 years old. I read in class play in Madrasatul Rahman International. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Bodrul Islam Shumon. My father's name is Shariful Islam. My mother's name is Babyara. I am a student. I am 6 years old. I reading class play in Madrasatul Rahman International. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saud Hussain Muhaj. My father's name is MD Arif Hussain. My mother's name is Jinat Jahandola. I am a student. I am 5 years old.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mustambil Labib. My father's name is Ghulam Kabir. My mother's name is Riyamuni. I am 5 years old. I did in class play in Madrasatul Rahman International.